All right. So this is not what we want. I had an amazing trade this morning. Is that right here? So this is the RP profit strategy. Where's say mark out the 8 to 15 candle, just like you're doing opening range breakout. You wait for a break to one side, a strong-ish break, and this one wasn't super strong. Then you wait for a retest back to the midpoint, and then enter at the midpoint. If it's stop either at the top of the zone or above the candle. Let's see, let's get executions. Some executions just don't work anymore. That's kind of annoying. But I think I entered about here just because there's a really fast move. I waked up and I got in with 3 contracts. Had initial TP probably about, how much was initial TP? About 300. So let's see, it'd be probably around there. And then held a runner. I moved stop to break even pretty fast. Like once I saw this candle close below the zone, I'd already had stop in the profit. That was probably, I'd stop. That was about break even. I didn't move it too fast. But I held the runner down to like, where did I hold it to? I think I held it down to like here. Moved stop pretty aggressively. And then I think I ended up getting out. That's probably somewhere around there maybe. So 522 on the day, fantastic trade. NQ's been moving off lately. Let's see if he has had the same move. Yeah, so it had a similar move. Probably wouldn't have taken this on ES. I mean, you could have taken the break and retest. I mean, it broke it. Or no, that's wrong trade setup. My bad. Probably not have taken that on ES. Not the cleanest setup on NQ, but is what it is. Had a banger trade today. Pretty much, I broke even last night. I had a few trades that broke even, but yeah, I'm gonna go through and mark some levels. Just in case anybody's ever watching this and wonders what I do during Asia session. Whenever I actually do trade Asia, I've been trading the New York Open a lot, and it's been well. I've been catching streams. I don't want to say taking signals, but getting trade ideas from either Jay Dunn or FitMom Trades. Because it's at work and I can't really sit there and look at the charts. But also, the market's just moving terrible during Asia lately for volume profile scalping. And I don't feel like waiting for a double confluence setup. and it already catch wins in the morning, so there's no reason for me to sit there and try to push trades. Um, but yeah, so at these, so you go market open and market close for previous day, and then for overnight, you go Asia session open to 9:30, 9:29, and then that's your overnight. It's OVL, VPOC. And you can do weekly. Weekly is, let's say Tuesday, so you go Monday open to Sunday, or no, this is Sunday open to Sunday, Monday to Friday close. Yeah, I just haven't seen a multiple confluence set up lately on Asia, so I haven't really taken any solid trades in Asia. I don't mind single confluence trades. Um, but I definitely try to down risk a little bit on them. So we got previous week POC, previous week VAL. So um, we have some stacked, not closely. We have VWAP and the previous day value area high close to the same spot, so you could see a good rejection point off that. And I don't imagine we could run up to these during Asia. I mean, that's 240 points. But if we did, I would gladly take a bounce off that back to POC, wherever that may be. And that could be a 100-point trade if I wanted it to be. I would trail stop loss fairly tight. But yeah, I didn't care. That went in place. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, I did pass this account. This is a funded account now. I passed yesterday. Oh, for the 15-minute break and retest. Didn't catch a lot of points. See, the way Jay Dunn does it, let's see if I can figure it out. So he does like the highs and lows, like that body of the candle. So where's that? 240. No. I think, yeah, that's kind of how it was. I don't really know. He does it interesting with the Fibonacci retracement for the retest, but either way, you could have caught a great trade off this. Enter off the retest, maybe get down there, you could have caught freaking 170 points. I, on the other hand, got in, I feel like I was fairly close to 1-to-1, but once I saw this big candle up, stop went to break even, and then I think I sold off a couple held for a bit, and then once I hit my the last 300 bucks I needed sold off. But either way, yeah, it's a very clean. If you entered on this candle right here, you could have hit a 70 point take profit in one candle with very tight stops. I mean, you could have hit 1 to 2 easily. So yeah, that is that. Let's see what gold looks like. Don't love that. Gold had a big sell-off today. Almost 100 points. That's a lot. Not really setting up for this view ops up here. Unless you want to go off 15-minute. Even then, if we got a retest up to head zone, that could be a huge trade. That could be a potentially 50 plus point gold trade, which would be insane. But, and then I'd have a 10 point stop loss on that maximum. So yeah, that's today's trade recap. I might make another video if I take any trades during Asia today. We'll see. But yeah, thanks.